Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk to you about a new Etsy SEO tool called Sales Samurai. And when you first go into the website, you have a choice of all of these tutorial videos that show you how to use the site. But a feature that I find really unique is the calendar feature. So here we're looking at July. We can see American holidays, Great Britain holidays, United Kingdom holidays, Germany, and unofficial holidays. And the unofficial holidays is awesome because when you're stuck for a social media post, you can't think of what you want to post, you don't know, you've got nothing. You can come in here, check what the unofficial holiday for the day is, like Dog Appreciation Day, Gummy Worm Day, Corn Fritter Day, and maybe you can come up with a social media post around those. That's lots of fun. And get something out on your Instagram for the day. This day here, July 18th, has 3 different holidays. So you could take your pick. I like the idea of ice cream day, my favorite dessert. We could do an Instagram post around ice cream day. So you can also look ahead and plan out your posts coming up. If you know you're going to have a few days where you need to fill in, you could check this calendar and get your posts planned. So here are some ice cream images that I got from Unsplash, which is a free stock photo app. And you could use these for ice cream day. So I'll put the link in the description below. It's an affiliate link for you to check out Sales Samurai and see if it's something you'd like to invest in.